Hi there! So here are the Redmi Airdots, the truly wireless earphones from Xiaomi. I got this from banggood.com for under 1700 rupees thanks to a promo code which I shall share with you at the end of this video. In this video we're going to unbox it, we're going to see the build quality, we're going to see the features and the sound quality. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started! So before we continue, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications when new videos are uploaded. Let's begin with the unboxing. So here are the Redmi Airdots, and you can see the Mi branding on the top. These are black color truly wireless earphones, you can see, and this is the case. On the back you can see most of it is in Chinese. Alright, without wasting time, so let's quickly unbox this. So inside the box we have some paperwork and some instruction manual which is totally in Chinese. There's nothing in English, it's fully in Chinese. So I'm sure this is of no good to us. And here are the ear tips which you can use. And there you go, ear tips for different sizes. Let's have a look at the Airdots, and they look gorgeous in matte black. The Mi branding logo on the top. The case is made of soft plastic and is extremely light. Let's open it, and there are the Airdots. The red LEDs show that they are charging. The case matte texture and the Airdot matte texture blend in together seamlessly. You can see the charging terminals below. The Airdots are held in with magnets and they don't fall even if you turn them upside down. The hinge on the case is sturdy, opens and shuts smoothly. On the back there is a micro USB charging port. Unfortunately, no charging cable provided in the box. The case is small enough to easily fit in your palm and super compact if you want to carry it in your pocket. You don't feel a thing. Let's have a closer look at the Airdots. They are made of soft plastic. LED lights blinking shows it's in pairing mode. The back has a tactile button. You can feel the clicks. I'm glad no touch sensors, so no accidental touches. Here are the charging terminals that help charge the Airdots. The tips are soft silicone. There are a couple of different sizes provided in the box. And here is a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. Overall, the build quality of the device and case is extremely impressive. Just like the Apple AirPods, there is no turning on or turning off the Airdots. Pairing them is super easy, and once you put them in your ears, you hear a ting sound, which means it's connected and ready to go. When you're done with them, put them back in the case so there's no need to turn it off. Let's wear them and see. OMG, they snug in perfectly into the ear canal, creating a good seal. They hold very firmly. These will be ideal to wear at the gym or for a run. They feel very comfortable. In fact, I realized after a while I didn't realize I was wearing one. Tactile buttons on the top are convenient to pause, play, change tracks and even to launch voice assistant. Coming to the sound quality, it didn't disappoint. It creates a good seal around the ears, giving it an extremely good bass. The mids are fine but the highs are excellent. They sound more premium than they actually cost. Can barely hear anything outside while wearing them. They create an extremely good seal. Also, it supports Bluetooth 5.0, which means better connectivity, stable connections and of course good sound quality. Battery on the Airdots lasts for 3.5 hours at full charge with 80% volume. You can put them in the case for 10 minutes when they're fully drained and you get 1 hour of music playback, which is great for just 10 minutes. The case has 300 mAh battery, which takes around 1.5 hours to fully charge. A fully charged case can provide 12 hours of music playback to the Airdots. So how's it for phone calls? Well, the Airdots do come with a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, and indoors they do a great job. At the gym, office or at home, indoor calls they're going to be crystal clear to the caller as well as to you. Whereas outdoors it does have a little trouble where the caller will have problem hearing you because there's too much of ambient sound if you're in a noisy environment. So indoors they do great, outdoors they might be not that great, but overall they do a decent job when it comes to phone calls. So I can highly recommend them to gym goers, for runners, people who commute to work on public transport. These are great companion earphones. They fit in well, they're comfortable, the bass on them is excellent, and trust me, bass lovers will simply freak out. So if you want to buy them, follow these steps carefully. Now I bought these from banggood.com and they originally cost 2600 rupees. With the promo code, you can buy it for under 1700 rupees. It took around 2 weeks to ship them from China to India. No custom duty was charged on it. You can pay via Paytm, by RuPay, by any debit card, credit card or net banking. Absolutely safe, trust me on this one. I'll leave the link for the Redmi Airdots in the description along with the promo code. When you use that promo code, you're going to get a discount which is going to make it under 1700 rupees. So don't forget to use that promo code. Also, if you download the Banggood app in the link in the description, you'll get another 10% discount if you download the Banggood app from that link. Happy shopping! So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. If there are any questions regarding the Airdots, do mention them down in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.